Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Action Learning. In today's demo, we are going to cover if there is a need while you are doing your implementation of Fusion Cloud and you want to set it up centralized email ID rather than to have individual email ID to get notified. You can set it up, you can achieve this requirement within Fusion. To achieve it, you have to go to the work list administration. You can click on the notifications, click on show all. You can click on work list. Once you click on the work list, it will open VPN work list. Under your username, you can see there is a navigation to go to the administration. Under the administration, you can see there's a lot of application preferences which you can set it up. If you scroll, you want display count of task in each view. You want auto, you want on demand, you want never to be set it up. You can do that. Now, if you see the notification mode, so here you can disable all those notifications or you can set it up based on your need. Now, in this notification mode, you can see there is a option set all. Now the test notification email ID, which is very important. So now here you can add your email ID where you want to get notified all your notifications while performing your testing on your test or development environment. Also, there is an options available: email from display name, submitter, previewer, right? Or any specific name you want to set it up. Then maximum number of email attachment you can set. Maximum number of size the email attachment you can set it up. So there are a lot of flexibilities are available under the application preferences, under the VPN work list. Based on your need, you can configure accordingly. So this is how you can achieve it if you have it requirement to set your centralized test email ID in Oracle Fusion. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel Fusion Action Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.